Today we're making a leth.
As you can see, we're starting to just get on with drawing out the main shape of the leth. Making a pattern so that we can cut it out. And then flip it over and then just have a perfect copy for the other side. Now we're getting to the main part. Getting ready to cut this thing out. Taking our time just to make sure we get a very close cut so it saves us on sanding later. Better get on with it. The first leth forged by Kalis with a lock of his hair. Unlike what I'm doing, I'm just cutting out a piece of metal. Fun fact, Klingons have a lot of extra organs, like multiple stomachs, livers, lungs, all for redundancy. This makes them harder to kill, and this is lucky, considering there aren't many Klingon doctors. Continuing to grind away, and grind, and grind, and grind. Now we're just filing away to get the final shape. Finally putting on that fake edge, so it's just a nice rounded off edge near the tip so that it's nice and safe. A lot like how they are in the actual show. So we have no sharp edges. And now we're just putting in a few extra bits of scratches and marks into it, just all over it, and then finally finishing off with a little bit of a sanding, and then just buffing it off. As you can see, that leaves a nice smooth finish across the edge, which is what we want. Finally, after we've finished all with the sanding, we can just clean everything up, give it a little bit of a polish, and we're pretty much done. Cutting a few little pieces of MDF just to make the grip a little bit more comfortable. We can start to wrap it all with leather. I just had enough, luckily. I didn't have to order any more. Clamping this after we left it overnight to cure, just with some contact adhesive used. And finally just adding a little bit of weathering to the grips, just to make them a little bit more used. Just a little bit of weathering goes a long way.
The weapon of a warrior. Taking a look at this thing, as you can see, got a lot of weathering, a lot of detail, scratches, as if it's seen a lot of action. Even the grips have been weathered up, as you can see. But yeah, love the dark steel kind of colour to this. It's got a very unique colour to it. A lot of the leths that you see a lot more of a shinier colour, whereas this is a lot more of a ancient looking piece. Made this in the previous video, so if you want to check this one out, link will be in description. Yeah, really enjoyed making this. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you want to see made next. Remember, if you enjoyed this video and you like this, please leave a like and subscribe, for more is on the way.